Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. If you have a mosquito net on any of the doors of your house, you'll have to have an opening to get out or to get in. This video will show you one idea how you can do that. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
Regarding mosquito nets, we recommend watching our video where we show you how to make a cheap yet very effective mosquito net on the windows and doors. To watch the video, click on the card in the corner or on the link in the description. What we did in our case is to cut a C-shaped opening on the mosquito net. Since the net was in one piece, this is how we made it. In order to get out on the balcony, we obviously had to do this. We considered making some sort of system with magnets, maybe Velcro perhaps. You can also buy these kind of mosquito nets finished already, but that wasn't really what we needed. Danka took the net off, simply cut the opening and then sewed the zipper on. What we got is a long shaped opening that you can unzip and zip up when you get out on the balcony and return into the room. It turned out to be very practical and long lasting. We would just recommend using a good quality zipper as it will last longer and will be easier to use. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.